Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Apple Notes like a pro. So one of the ways to actually use Apple Notes as a pro, you can just go ahead to the notes, and as you can see, every file categorized right like this, right? You're going to see all iCloud, Notes, new folder. So what I'm going to do, if I wanted to add a file for my video ideas, I'm going to just go ahead and click at the bottom left right here corner, and you're going to just type the name of that folder, video ideas or video creation. All right, basically hit done at the top, right? Basically in the video creation, you could just go ahead and start adding a new notes right here by clicking the pencil at the bottom right, and start adding right here, let's have example video ideas, right? And you're gonna just type, let's have example traveling, right? Traveling, and maybe reviewing, right, or reviews. And I'm gonna just add another one, let's say vlogging, right? So vlogging right here, okay, and hit down at the top right. So if you wanted to, you can just go ahead and choose that traveling right here, and then just go ahead and click to highlight that word if it was important by clicking that double A at the at the first option on your left, and then just make it bigger, smaller, whatever it might be. And if you wanted, if it was important for you, you could just add the lighten right here. So basically you can stress on how important this idea is for you, right? The same goes for that one, right? You could choose right here to be a little bit bigger, and if it was important, you could just go ahead and add the strike basically, or the line under that word, right? And if you finished, or if you're done with this idea, or thinking like I don't like that idea, you could just go ahead and click that strike through right here, and basically you can cancel or scratch that idea, as in basically I don't like that idea. All right, so basically that's one way to actually put it, right? And if you want to add viewpoint right here by clicking at the bottom left corner right here, you're gonna add like like this one right here. Let me add like that one. That feature allows you to have a circle of check mark, right? So if you want to travel, instead of adding the line or adding this strike through, you could just add the check mark. All right, as you can see right here, I added a check mark, and that means that I've done those ideas to my YouTube channel, right? So I'm done with these ideas. So if you want to add another one, you could just go ahead and add your next idea, and you're gonna see the check mark right here in the uncheck mark, so you can add the new idea, right? Another way, or another feature of another feature of Apple Notes, you can add the the matrix right here, right? So you can add or extend the matrix to whatever whatever you want. If you want to add, like, let's have example pros, right, cons, right? And you're gonna just type right here your viewpoint, and then basically you can extend it, I believe, or not. You're not gonna be able to extend it. You can just add or double click right here to share or convert to a text if you wanted to delete that table, right? And basically you're gonna be able to add what's your viewpoint on that, what's your viewpoint on this, right? And basically you're gonna be able right here, if you chose this one, this column, right? You can just go ahead and basically move it if I wanted to move it, and I can choose or highlight both of these columns, right? And I can move them to whatever place that I want, right? So basically you can see right here that this is the column. For example, I could click the three dots for it, and I can add another column for that one, for that specific one, right? Add another column right here, and you can add another section if you wanted to. The same goes for this one. You can click this one and then click the three dots right here, double click on that one, and then add the new column right? And basically, you can add it and hit done if you finished, and then you can move them to whatever place that you want. It is important to choose, and it is important to choose both of them in order to move, if you wanted to move them to whatever place that you actually want, right? If you want to add something like that. All right, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.